All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is a GT model, it's beautiful red with the black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, navigation system, front heated seats, heated steering, fog lights, roof backs, alloy wheels, 15,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Let's go real quick. The front bumper looks pretty good. Let's have a chip here, about 2 or 3 inches. Another one there, another one there. This is really like a heavy scratch, 2 inches, 2 inches. All right. Hood looks good. Fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread. It's over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. It's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your Navi system. Of course, this is your radio. There's your Navi system. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Power, heated seats, and heated steering. Very nice. All right, stereo controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Running issues, your mileage of 15,286 miles. It's good. Keep it moving. Got some power buttons here. Open things up. Here's your rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear running ACs and rear AC controls. Got a little button back here that closes that door. Coming around rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Does have a little chip here, about 1 inch, and some scuffing around it, about 3 to 4 inches. Nice shot of your rear trunk space and what that looks like. These seats do fold forward or fold down as a stow and go. Got a little power button here. It closes this lift. And the lift gate looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. It's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here is the other side of the rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. A little power button closes that door. This one here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks pretty good. Ooh, on the sail panel, I see a dent here with some paint off about 1 inch, inch and a half. Is your front passenger rim. Your tire thread. Over 730 seconds. And turn on the lights. Let's check it out. All right, folks. I'll check out your fog lights and why they're not on right now. It's probably just not connected. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with with 15,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.